Every year, hundreds of millions of old phones are forgotten in dark drawers.
Or thrown straight into the trash, without a word of farewell.
Thousands of tons of electronic waste are weighing down our planet every day.
But inside these seemingly discarded things,
hidden within is an urban gold mine worth dozens of times more than natural ore.
On average, 1 ton of phone circuit boards can yield up to 300 grams of pure gold. Welcome to the miraculous rebirth journey of precious metals.
Let's explore the secrets inside your old phone. Each smartphone is made up of more than 60 different chemical elements.
The lithium-ion battery needs to be carefully isolated to avoid the risk of fire or explosion.
The battery contains 2 extremely rare and expensive metals, cobalt and lithium.
And here is the heart of the device, the motherboard. The contact points on the circuit board are all plated with real gold to prevent oxidation. Inside the tiny CPU chip are pure gold wires.
The camera module also contains a small amount of pure silver and copper.
The premium aluminum phone chassis will be transferred to the lightweight metal recycling line. If released into the environment, the lead and mercury from this battery will seep directly into the water source. Phase 1. Mechanical processing and shredding.
The super hard steel blades crushed the circuit boards into tiny pieces of metal.
The powder mixture is passed through the vibrating screen system for size sorting.
The strong magnets immediately sucked up all the iron material.
Foucault current separates aluminum from the powder mixture. The result is a rich powder of non-ferrous metals containing gold, silver, and copper.
All airborne dust during the grinding process is filtered in a closed system. Ready for the most important step, chemical extraction.
Stage 2, hydraulic metallurgy.
The specialized acid will dissolve the copper and silver, causing the solution to turn green.
The selective separation process helps to retain the undissolved gold as a residue.
Add the chemical precipitate to completely recover the pure gold particles. Meanwhile, the copper is recovered by electrolysis.
The gold powder, after being washed and dried, is ready to be melted.
The temperature will now be raised above 1,100 degrees Celsius. Stage 3, high temperature refining. Brilliant molten gold is carefully poured into the mold.
As it cools down, the proud beauty of pure gold emerges. The gold bar was rapidly cooled in the basin of distilled water. The final product is 99.99% pure gold.
Along with that, hundreds of kilograms of copper and silver have been completely recycled. Each metal bar is inspected and stamped with quality seal. From discarded waste, they become valuable raw materials for industry. Recycling electronic waste is creating a multi-billion-dollar circular economy. Big tech corporations are investing heavily in automated sorting robots. These robots can disassemble hundreds of phones per hour.
Recycling aluminum and copper saves up to 90% of energy compared to mining.
Simultaneously cutting millions of tons of carbon emissions into the atmosphere. The biggest challenge right now is the collection of raw materials. Here is your discount voucher for the trade-in. It's valid starting today.
Oh, that's excellent. Thank you.
Future products will use 100% recycled metal. This isn't just business. This is a life or death solution for the planet.
New technologies are making this process cleaner and cheaper.
Transforming waste into real value for the future. Let's give new life to metals to create a greener Earth.
Take a look at your drawer today.
Don't let old phones gather dust and become toxic waste.
A small action from you will help protect thousands of forests and water sources. What do you think of this recycling technology? Leave your comments below.
Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to follow our exciting production journey. Bye, and see you again.